So we still there here. We still there. Hey, hello, my dear. Please lower it a bit for me. Thank you. We still there here. Don't go anywhere. Me, now me expect to say a bit to a baby. Nah. Yeah. Now by this time, can you share them? Ya kata ye to me pie. Hwe. Yan ye so no. Wo ye bone a, e do be gina bonte ne etua wakakaduro. Ye so no. Wo ye bone a, e do be gina bonte ne etua wakakaduro na nkwara ni nyina hwe. Enti ye tutu ye ni wi ye ne ye nkwara nkitikiti o. Etua wakakaduro wi o sa obie. Ombie. Omo de share yen. Enna se na nyame bo wi ase no won. Enipa bi wo ha no nko wi ase a. When big we are dang. When we need less A+, you be winning election. And we need you. We come in must see 2 more for Monty. And I'm at here, we say, Galamsey fight no na. Ama MPP lose a Nanado, a Lususi, and yet Galamsey fight no. A young crofona, Moko Gigi or Monamana, Yakana, Monteno, could you be good? No, I got Tonwedi. Akwaje obi excavator na odi ama wo crop for some fan wo gigi nkrase for asase ye ka saa muntie ene with the Facebook say what aba ma Akufo-Addo nti Akufo-Addo win election Akufo-Addo ne ba wo miatu kwan a NDC ni na president ye win election am catch say mo aden mo adwuma no kra mo ntie ase o adwuma na asem na esi no mo ntie ase ngu nipa jimie ya kasa kire wa mo ntie Akufo-Addo be de ebu man no me no kra ka me de ba ma ba wo mia no nto aso jimie kasa kire mo amonte woto aba ma Akufo-Addo but de bi Akufo-Addo nim no tu ne nan free krom ha na ba wo mia so tu kwan pe alamba ben na president NDC for na ewu o man no wahu nya jimie be bia jimie de mo agbeduru wahu be bia jimie de mo agbeduru wahu say ye to aba ni wie ye no na ye kasa Akufo-Addo win ni pe the next morning the ba Facebook and betro say MPP MPs 4 baku fi ha mienu fi ha omo be kwatia mo na mo ka asa me boa no mo aka kire me o me ga na me na meti bibia because me MPP from penny for papa na no mo jimidi to me meti bibia no aka kire me say enti anura me friend me ni pe can say yo pa ye nto chacha my goku e betumi enwini onwini da because na me nim na ka kire say nkofo bi okrum ha mo hwe na mo ye ni papa o na mo yi du time ya na bufuo na aye over no ma ya ade bi o ma ka kire me say enti me ka kire me say munkotwa 2 bets munkotwa 2 sure obi ankotwa 2 sure because eye dan ya MPs na wo ho no we na Akufo-Addo hu ye o mo hino ka say mo di ni crofo say na mo di ya food soldiers no mo di ya MPs ni bebre o mo agwa mo fokin enti ya no maka janza kwa me nya abotrela MPP mpenifo na o party ni mu no penifo pa na o kwa me o kra de no nya abotre crofo we je ba kire o mu nyansa na mo nya hu hwie o mu hwie o si atabe yo me da so I'm still here mutumi ma Facebook mutumi ye dede na mo ye ni biom mutumi ade na atonsom mo de no na atonsom ke to abawie ye nka ya kasasa ye nim se mo be to abawie ema ye dwane fi krum ha atonsom akrono ni jimie mo ngunipa mo win election mo win no mo se mo di kosi cathedral moko budan egu se moko si cathedral so moko budan egu dan ya yesi ye na Ghana asase asan Nyankopon ote rage pen na nyamete moko budan egu because obi di book bi be kire mo se amami bi kore apple wo garden bi mu na nyame se ade ti no mo awe ne garden no ne apple no mi apple no ti nyame ma awe na me de kroso ma me kunu ono so wa awe na me se he mama obesia me se we ne po akọwe apple sa story we go sa stories we na me de ohu mu bubu dan ehiafo my Ghana ye nisika ye si dan ya ye de ma judges akyem mu akobu dan no se mu kwasi dan ya ye ka apple story wo ti mu akobu dan egu nyansa ben ne wo mu tirim nyansa another 4 years never no yebesa tatam yebesa kanokre a kire mu pa muntie mu pa mamuntie yen yebetena ha yen musu hwio de bia me ba Facebook ya live bia say me I have nothing to lose mo ko budan ekosi dan a ye ka Apple story wo Apple broni ma wiase na o be kire mo Apple story no na ye nsom nyame wo kurum ha na ye nana no mo nsom nyame na me nana ko akudu ko nsom nyame na me nana ko akudu ko abosomfo na nsom nyame mo chan na ye de story ye be ka kire mo kosi dan makotobo e wa abrochiri makotobo bo e de abasa mo be si dan na mo be de win seat no mo be de win mo seat no ma chebi wiase bibia na free years ye to ba wi what so bia ka free years Jesus asem Ghana for to abase ye hwehwe mampani bi oba be jai obeba nkwase asem etu atwa wo mamu ha wo ye pe obi a obeba be mampani wo mamu ha ebema enkwase asem tu atwa enye free na mama mo free what da say ye beto aba aban to me fa phone no afre nipa wo wahin akufo do say ye ma osika na covid sika bagibi ye cheche sika ma spend over 1 billion still the speaker of parliament NDC ni still speaker of parliament NDC ni e ba na say jimie etumofo amonte jimie na bibia nya me ya say ye etumofo na amonte no ba umia na bebre it also no disassociating no free ejimifo ho the kansam kire mo amonte mu Ghana fo ato abama mo Kolebu is the biggest hospital in this country na enframa kura bi ni ho wo Kolebu a wuntumi mfa phone enye call enfre say me the patient bi ba ambulance ba say na ye no ye nko hefa ye say arrange bed mbeko bi hospital papa enye adwuma o man ha dan a ye si ajaje se mo se ye kobu na ye de si asore dan ye start MPP me ne MPP and tokwa start ye nyina kire me one day ye kun tokwa enya about the development of this country and adia abibi ehia ye kun tokwa se Ghana ye 275 MPs who drive 275 V8 ye need ambulance we need ambulance me can some ways da mukoto ambulance by number bondum ofeechon agbene ofeechon e plus we need we ato yen na ye kun se bibi mbra oman mu yen ni ewu jimie we MPP ni a eno nkire se by force se wujimi what I said and just by force say wujimi o ye need street light on motorway no so as good citizens we have to fight for street lights on the motorway and in our neighborhoods because we pay for it you pay for street light. Who told light with the shemua? 10 Ghana over 9 something. You have street light. You do not have street light. And you have to fight, you have to get street lights in your area. Who ya can't say some now. Say, that ben na yabe can't say it is not about the interest of the people and the nation as a whole. Plus agbene ofeechon because you got ambulance and instead of so beka so Charlie squad now omo to say yabe twaba. Everybody's area, ye 2 gutter, ye 2 ha, ye 2 fa, ye 2 gutter ha, no machine. Holiday, weekend, Sunday, mi kwan so ha, omo ye kwan. Ye 2 aban we pen om se sa woni omo ko. Enti the bia be tell my politicians say Jimmy en. Ye 2 aban we ye. Wo area kwan na omo ye no hu se omo guso ye. Omo nja kwan no nko ye. Wo area ye 2 aban we ye no. Wo area kwan na omo ye no. Are they still doing it? Omo nja kwan no ngu ho nko ye. And we are talking about this issue that don't allow these politicians to do this. And this is what they are doing. We are the beer you better about near your coin near your pet babam. You better about motorway so almost see street lights day and night, weekend, holiday, Sunday. You know no more ye guma. You 2 year ye pet omoko. In the end, ye Jimmy the beer say ya. Na Ghana for a mampeni beer or beba. Obe ende sanyo mano obi anto aba ma akufo de so me ye free o ye ma ye free we na ma ye free we ye to aba ne ene ya ye kase to aba akufo do oba we na ma ye free we ye asem na esi wo election mu no akufo ado tumi tena o memu ha no afa pen ne pepa no atro letter dia come America Black Lives Matter say police brutality e America police folk kum nipa e America entino or sympathize with blacks and then you Akufo-Addo you sympathize with black people in America ya to about Ghana Techiman South nipa wu ntumi kan ho hwe Joe Wise Bekwa MP be catch them some criminals. As a lawyer, you can identify criminals who have not been tried. And it's normal. So, omo ye criminals, ye to aba no omo ko misbehave yenti no, ye normal si ye ku omo, but ye to aba parliament no bi akotam, obi akot ballot papers, no bi akotam ballot box, and no dey normal. But ordinary Ghanaians in there, omo wu a enye no eno dey enye normal. Omo ye bibi enye normal si ye ku omo, shoot them to kill them. Enipa we na edi oman we so. Now bet now ye can some way atre wa wo bebie wa dwen mu no wetie asam no wo de wo maame ye MPP ni nti no wo de normal wo de wo papa ye MPP ni nti ye normal na wo A plus me support o na why na say yankopon de babon sam support no obon sam oni yankopon de ti on support no ite me on support no ya fa me ho ben mo ti o mamu ha akotobo sam de besi dan we Israel for born honhom bi wo mu a say Holy Spirit o so say ye den yo makoto bo wo Israel. Na say mission bi pani bi no bi say enti say no enti wo problem dey say na me say me say me ye Ghana man pani a nka me kwa kosi cathedral no wo Kentampo. Me kwa kosi cathedral no e wo Kentampo because you see we are say kakraka ya nyame bo to ha nyina ne mfimfini e ye Ghana e na Ghana mfimfini ye Kentampo. Enti say ya me na me ye president of Ghana and I me say still me person me see sa dan na enka me nkobu dan ngu wo rage enka me kwa kosi cathedral no si Kentampo no me see ade tintin bi ko wiem na maka kire wiase nyina say eye ha na ye wiase nyina medal na nyame wo soro ha enti wo fu ade we na wo kosoro ha wo be kwa kosia nyame yare bia ye obi abeko wo be hu nipa betum rika befo sa ade no and psychologically some people will get healed who to meet trampoline free ha na wo ko Israel wo ko peden a ye de wo ko gina bia say hana bonsam e de Yesu be gina na o kire ne say o hwe na ho na gina ho twa photo be hu say bonsam ne Yesu gina bia bi ye twa montro na magye edi wo tena plane mu free ha ko Israel so ko hwe bia bonsam ne Yesu ko gina hwan na hu sa ade no a wo be ka kire wo nti a wo dimrika say wo ko Israel haye hana Yesu be gina ayo ye hana Moses ne hana baby ba ko bi o say hana Jacob eno osoro abofo okun tokwa na mudi saade nechi ba wo de wontumi creative baby akonfa no chi ye say wontumi creative baby akwame nkroma ye say wo so mfa nji sika ni bi jimie na obi ahu ye mehin so mo ti abruchire no dwene Jonas ka kire say munja jimie no na jimie mu na mote na wo say hey munne ne kokonto kwa Ghana ha je jimie mu ne yete kwame nkroma ni fi otena mu e wo Ghana ha e wo circle baby eja she circle no ho na kwame nkroma not ne dan a odem ho na wo eye any civilized country nke de bia nkofo ba behwe bibia kwame nkroma tenae ne top box ne mpani se ebi ni ho kra na o se corporate carpenter mane bobo mpa ne edisi ho se hana kwame nkroma mpa we na oda so obi ye nko se sa book azan book be enu na abrofo ne de museum ne ade no mde giska no ba mo madwen no enye adwuma madwen no problem wo ho madwen ne nya adwuma omo bu o man we bebre na kakra bi na nim nyansa Oka say oko baby na say Egypt ya say bizu say no muni aboya ne ho black ponko ya ne ho black and white difference say zebra say o muni bi o ma ko fast spray ya ya graffiti e wo container mu ya ye spray down hu o ma ko fast spray ni bi e no mu de spray donkey no original zoo one ko fo be say zebra na ya jiska kofo trampoline mom ko hwe zebra say na ya donkey na ya spray no ho white paint and black ya mark no enso to hwe aboye na ase ya hye no yomu ne ho nyina na ahohori nkofo de omadwen Egyptian mummy pyramid na say nkofo de omadwen jiska wo mamu ha ko begro go and see the rocks at Begro wo ko begra there are huge rocks, there are huge caves in Begro. Go to Begro and go and see what is in Begro. Ura cave me, I went to Begro. Ura cave mua, no biatro in 1870. So a white man were here. I was here with my wife to see so and so and so. In 200 years history, Oko Begra, missionaries no omuba hano, omo beti basre asore ni ade no, omo cemetery wo Begro, omo na nyina wo ho, ye the glass akata so. Who knows about this? Do the people in Switzerland near there and Germany, missionaries in those days, do they know that baby was Begro? Yesu, because way back in the 1900 say 18 then time na Ramsey anomba hano. Omo besisi dan wo Begro. before Rams omo missionaries no ebi Rams ya nuko pie abetifi no omo besisi dan wo begro no omo se wo a wo pese wo tena nyankopon mu no yesi estate wo ha enti bra enti sa area wo begro ye fa ho Yesu mu yesi small estate eye ancient dan yesi ye ba wo ko honda bon se eye well planned eye not dan ba ya planning no ye fra ho Yesu mu. So what can you do? JB dan kwa baby o school e wo begro e wo ho sese ya baby JB dan kwa school the primary school e wo begro. Do you know about that? Abena on beto wo kuro no so na esi wo na ye fra na abegrogro no e da so si ho ye twa ho white esi begro. Do you know about it? What happening free here na wo call Israel wo kwohwe because Israel for ne to me promote omodie ni ye enti na wo koto bo wo ho se wo di besi dan no na nka me di Akufo-Addo echi mandan so da ye se Akufo-Addo betumi afa plane akofa bo so di besi dan wo nkran ha ebo no biti ho se NDC for ne pentokwa NDC for mo ankasa people for mo primaries bo a mo bo mo ho sa na mo di wi aba ne mu aba we na mo lusi yo mo ho ade esi wo parliament and now mo pese mo de military intimidating for women ha taking military into the chamber of parliament with guns adentia Akufo-Addo president mo bia nkasa wo memu ha bi wo mu bia wewu a wo sunda ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko me hu na wewu a wo sun ono kura se na ice hye nani ase ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko pe me hu se wewu a ye na ya wo sun ono kura se ice blog call lock nani ase. Go to a place like Begro. There are waterfalls. What down Adua, you hear the water pouring. There are about 26 or so waterfalls in and around Begro area only. Well, who knows about it? Tourism, baller. To me, free half of a boy with Israel. Maybe I come for call a Ukugwa. You know the history. It's not media will become too for some pen because, but for too for. Any as the Benshia, any the Ashanti Empire, any the Ashanti Kingdom, and can history a Kawukrum Hano, a wine. Obey to me preserve the dear. Kakra be no mutumi and no makakra. Nyaka you say, I have for them one for politics, Bebrena and Kanokre, where your henny, ye two unia or henny, ye do ye or henny. Regional House of Chiefs, ye two ammonia de Grofobes so, and Obia di, a yaw de, woman and this Indian people, but some coach and no tradition, woman in shim. Now, Tina, we who the impact, the effect, the benya, a woman culture, and so. Between 4 men shall between the NDC and people Kuraho, no color somehow come and see. Young Kango Kuro, Memuha. Who be a 2 Obama or president to see a sorry dying. Who new hospital, papa, to make see a sorry dying. Who be ya dear name, Yana Woko now President Buefu. Mampeni ayatu Obama no on to mean deal with Obia, even deputy minister, he can't deal with them. Like I say Ghana for to me back free SHS. Me man to Obama ku for some free SHS. Me two man so on free SHS mo omo ni bi. Yes, it's good. But we need a government that is going to fight corruption. Look at this country we live in. Institutions don't work and Akufo-Addo is now the cause has deepened that problem na wo memu hano. Akufo-Addo has deepened it. And can no you complaining police ni military ya politicize the police ni military ya politicize the police ni military everybody is complaining Akufo-Addo buy no or the electoral commissioner be kan ho say any government that comes to remove the electoral commissioner no there we will hold huge protest to remove her before Abayembe Sakra. We have to hold huge protests in this country to remove the electoral commissioner. Akufo-Addo buy Auditor General go on leave aden because unipa baako ya ade enye papa na ka say what's your memo as president of Ghana obi say na Akufo-Addo ya the election ya da man na fama na fama ho ben Akufo-Addo 3 years yente ha am I not still here we say Akufo-Addo be win election ma mani ewu am I not here na me bonipa different no na me bonipa different me I love to fight Akufo-Addo Yo unipa baako ya dia enye. The Auditor General is the one who is taking money from how do you call it? Enkrofo mo wi oman ni sika, enkrofo mo fa kotikwan so age oman ni sika. The Auditor General is the one who is taking the money Domlovo or Jisicano back to the state. They are finding Puntujuma. One Jiso Peso Dio or Jiscano their bois or mine near their Puntujuma. I could say, I didn't know Domlovo Tata Nencroft Nibi or Nencroft. Entino, Kufa do Buefu, Domlovo could leave. That could leave back na Supreme Court. Ya the number been in name near file, Safmafo, ya man, Auditor General for Fonabano, or the normal perform court, not just an one. Onipa na oji sika dia ma na fa yo man ni yie no ono na ono ne bekon tokwa wa woni ma wo omemu ha wo pese wo ye okay woni akuf wutumi nante ye nya opa bia obeye bia no bibia nkotu control na support Akufo Addo obi ye bibia nya amenka mo MPP for penifo na ya mbehu na kwame oba kamasem kan MPP asem MPP ya party papa MPP ya party kese Akufo Addo na abese no enti oba obetumi aka ba wumi asem ubetumi aka MPP asem ubetumi aka Kennedy Apon asem ubetumi aka Alanchemanti asem ubetumi aka MPP je Akufo asem me kan Akufo Addo asem trem ka Akufo Addo asem trem za me ya wolen special prosecutor enyam na mkofa ne bae one okofa special prosecutor bae and you just brought the man and came and put him there so that he will feel nothing special. Okay, as a Ghana for Omo, we just had the Nina and a Ghana for Omo observing. The mama free. Oh, my dear free. Mungo to free suggestion on Facebook. Jimmy, Chrono, my plan is some big boo mine. Yeah, you wait, Chino, Ebiana won and a wound. And Tia wait, Chile, the year which Yaman say, Nane, say Nako, Yana, you with Yamon, Yamumia, your enemy. Yana hit with Yamon, young mum, your enemy. Now, where do you go, mine? Yeah, Charles and Nana, Omubua. Young mum, your enemy. Not just a walk home, no, what is I would do, I would do her. Oh, be quiet one in the account with some Macleo. We're quiet one in the account, Macleo. Yana, your cousin, where you say, Manasseh now all can some trouble. The problem is not the problem. Manasseh, who is talking about the problem now becomes the problem. Mom Penokre. Akufo Addo has become a confident liar. Like we control with confidence. Akufo Addo has become a confident liar. Like he can turn on radio and TV and say, we won the elections massively. And this is the most free and fair election in the history of Ghana. Eh? So be control. So your body language, nipa body language, so steady nipa body language. Anybody who is telling a lie, they be all kind of teacher and the right. So we say. This is the most free and fair election in the anybody who is telling the truth, they look up left hand side like this, because this is where you see truth. And you're natural. Go on YouTube, watch everything. We can't drop. And he's so confident in lying. And that's not the man that I followed. He has become a confident liar. Like Mamen Kanamen Komberding. You don't have a legacy. And Nana Addo from now to the next 4 years, where you have been placed, it is going to, if you don't do the right things, so that some of us will stop talking. I want to support anybody who is there for this country. I want to support. I want this country to develop. So if the right thing is being done today, and Ghana is moving forward, I will always support. People say, come here, plus there, on your consistent. How can I be consistent in lying? I should be consistent, like every day. Remember, I say, and then I say, Nana. In Ghana, when you say Don Mahama did this good, oh, and this is for my idea, my idea power. The next moment they are fooling. When you say MPP for my, you say the next moment they are fooling. So it is very difficult for you to be consistent, and we cannot be consistent in lying, and therefore you have to deal with the issues. You have to deal with the issues. Everybody who is not disappointed did not believe Nana Addo when he was talking. Anybody who is not disappointed in Nana Addo did not believe him when he was talking in 2016. Some of us did. We believed him. We believed everything he was saying. And that is why we question, because Mijinidi say some not can no correct, but not knowing some mubebrewa na a platform talk. Ya to about to me troll letter come America for said George Floyd. Your friend is saying Black Lives Matter, police brutality, and a your friend is saying, your friend is saying police brutality in America. Dear Ben. who to me throw letter at the comma a friend saying a dear friend saying a America in support of Black Lives Matter. Who are who your trouble in the Pugua was only criminals, a normal. You can't say anything about it. When NPC only criminals. Now George Floyd now obey in a year with Hanu. Who him say at his age no I jail 5 times. George Floyd now be in a year with Kruma or Memu Hanu. At his age no I jail 5 times. But to me be in a year with her. But obi call police station. Na issue bi siwa na ebotu no wu a ono ye criminal mu nim nyansa mu penifo na mo parliament ho no bebre na mu nim nyansa utumi be ye obi ye criminal like George Floyd utumi be ye wo mamu ha am obi akobi enipa wu wo mamu ha o ye Ghana for dia wo se omo ye criminals nyansa ni mutirim me ka last one me ka some last one mako me hu sa abra na mo bo no wo be hu papa bi ti asem na me ka kire wo be hu papa bi we DMP, we di hwan, we di minister, wa ye den, wa ko, wa ba, wa ye bibia bi. Eso obenyi no, na ne man nyina, uhu ma, asa uhu ma bra bo no so. We nam ha. Wiase school papa nyina omo ko bi, hospital papa nyina omo ko bi. Ne ma no, e ma na wom no, omo ware ye, uhu ma bra bo so, basa. E me na wom no, wi ye wo wiase nyina omo na omo hye. Ayi drug nyina omo bobi omo ne unhu amabrabo e komo de ende omo ba amabrabo na omo bo nankasa unhu so papa nankasa ode ne ho no diabetes owobi hepatitis owobi ayi friends ayi high blood pressure owobi BP owobi bia ne yere basa eso wiase bibi papa bia onya bi o but ube mu papa bi no a civil servant Oyeduma wo Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. Oyeduma wo Ghana Commercial Bank. One ne yere, oma ware 30 years, 35 years. Ne mama nyina ware. Omo nya so awa mema nice guys. Omo so ye corporate guys. Omo one ne yere, omo di 70 something. Omo ti omo kam no omo ko asori Methodist ana Pentecost. Omo abafie. Omo kwasra omo nana no. Ye do omo nana no mabro omo si omo na so. Hwe enye nyamo ye no. Se wubu oman a wo sa woji sika yesi monfa koye nsuo ma hiafo no woji na woji sika yede asoma wo se fa koye ayi mpuntuduma ma hiafo na wodi a wona wo ma no mobedi mobebo monsam mobesere mani beje madwem so ma yeyi o but dachi obenya sunsunso eya hwe JF Kennedy ne nebusuafo no hwe omu nyina hwe se na Kennedy wuye hwe se na omo amaka ni nyina omu hwe mabra bo besin de na wankasa fa ya adesua na decide what you want to do mudi nkwasi asem wo krom ha omemu ha obi ansuro obi awu ye ne mo be feso wo omemu ha sa for the next 4 years a choice that you make won pese ye ne mo feso a mo sakra mo suban peyenso ye be sakra menye sure say obia ayi amanase mahwan obia pese no obia kontokwa wo menye sure obia pese o man yeye enti wo sakra pe obia be sakra ene manase obehu na o kan sei ochina no o kan sei and then o kan sei because want to me you are not consistent in doing the right thing and we cannot be consistent in supporting you, so be consistent in doing the right thing and let us also be consistent in supporting you and we will support you. Monfa madwin ye adwuma for the next 4 years because these 4 years are going to be very very turbulent. 4 years that day anymore there is a big gidi and you are aware. You and people from Wohono, mo party ni muna kasaro. There's going to be the Alan Baumia, the Tugati, and all of those, and Woho. And Sana, the issues in Parliament, and Woho. And Sana Mobesa called parliamentary primaries, there are going to be issues, and Woho. And Sana Bako national executive elections, there are going to be issues, and Woho. And Sana constituency. So Munya Sungrio. So you don't have to add Bobby Ansa. You don't have to add Bachanfor. You don't have to add Kevin Taylor. You don't have to add Manasseh. You don't have to add Anas because you have your own issues already. So just try to do the right thing so that we can also try to support you. Jimmy na mujimi 4 years no. Munjai. Mujimi ache. Mujimi kakreye. Sa mujimi no. Mujimi kakreye. Na mena montina. Mo bibia good night. Replenish, Why? Replenish. Obini budget. See you gone. Yasi ado. I gonna for some picker. La 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 la. La 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 la. The best, the best. The best. Toby. I'm a long story now, my yano. Today we day. Even today